Welcome to the Earth Eats Test Kitchen. My name is Heather, and today we're going to be making PB&B honey wraps.
PB&B?
Yeah.
Wait, Heather, we're putting peanut butter and bananas.
Yeah, it's a great combination.
Did you know, Heather, did you know that monkeys eat bananas?
Does Felix eat bananas?
Well, did you call Felix a monkey?
No.
Now, Felix likes bananas because Felix loves monkeys. They are Felix's favorite animal. Yeah.
Oh, well, that's good. That's good. I like monkeys too, and I like bananas.
How do we make the PB&B honey wrap?
Well, the first part is you get a banana and peel it, and you can do this. This is easy to do.
Okay.
And you get a small bowl, and we're going to mash the banana.
Mash? What does mash mean?
Well, here I am, and I'm peeling it. I'm going to put it in the bowl.
Okay.
Really easy.
Yeah.
You can do this.
Okay.
And then I'm going to get a fork or a spoon and just gently mash it.
Oh, like you are mixing it. Yeah.
I am. Look at that.
Heather, you're smashing the banana.
I am.
Oh, look.
It's really easy. You can do it.
Yeah.
Next, I'm going to get some peanut butter, and I'm just going to put a little bit down the center.
Okay.
Do you like a lot of peanut butter or a little peanut butter?
Felix likes a lot of peanut butter.
Well, that's good because I have a lot of peanut butter.
But Heather, I have a question. While you do that, what if you can't eat peanut butter? Because some of Felix's friends can't eat peanut butter.
Yeah.
What do you put on the wrap if you can't eat peanut butter?
That's a good question. You could use any nut butter. You could use almond butter, which is really good for you.
Yeah.
Cashew butter, whatever you like.
Okay.
It's easy.
Yeah. Heather, you are good at putting the peanut butter on the wrap. Yeah.
Thank you, Felix.
Yeah.
And I'm going to use honey. I love honey. It gives it a little bit of sweetness. I'm just going to put a little down the center.
Heather, you are sweet like honey.
Oh, thank you, Felix.
You're welcome.
And that's all I do there. And I'm just going to put on a little bit of mashed banana.
Okay.
I say you could use the whole thing.
Okay,
but it's up to
Let's
you.
use all the bananas.
I'm going to use it all.
Yeah. Did you know, Heather, did you know that bananas have potassium?
They do.
Yeah. And potassium is good for you. Yes.
It is.
Yes.
You know a lot about food.
Yeah. Well, Felix likes to eat a lot.
That's good. I like to cook and I like to eat.
Yeah.
And now we're done.
Okay.
It's all wrapped up tightly.
Okay.
And I'm going to cut it in half. And you can see the inside.
We get to see the inside. Yeah.
And you could use a butter knife.
Okay, yeah, because a butter knife isn't as sharp as some of the other knives.
Oh,
yeah.
it's not sharp at all.
Yeah.
It's just right for you.
Yeah, perfect.
And there you go. Peanut butter, banana, and honey wraps.
You can learn more about real food and green living on the Earth Eats website. Print off recipes, read the latest in food news, and subscribe to our weekly podcast. It's all available at eartheats.org.